Hello, I'm Jerome from Camino Ways. Today the podcast is about 10 things to do in Sevilla. The Via de la Plata starts in the magnificent city of Seville. This Camino de Santiago route was, first of all, a trading road used by the Romans to join the north and the south of Spain, and it is by far the longest Camino, 1000 kilometers. Seville is the capital and largest city of the autonomous community of Andalusia, situated on the plain of the river Guadalquivir. Seville has a metropolitan population of about 1.5 million, making it the fourth largest city in Spain. Its old town, the third largest in Europe, with an area of 4 square kilometers, contains the three UNESCO World Heritage Sites, the Alcázar Palace complex, the cathedral, and the General Archives of the Indies. I live in this beautiful Seville for 6 months, so I have compiled 10 things that you should do in Seville if you are starting your Camino there. First, the Cathedral of St. Mary. It is among the largest of all medieval and Gothic cathedrals, in terms of both area and volume. The interior is the longest nave in Spain, and it is very well decorated with a large quantity of gold. The most impressive and iconic part is the Giralda Tower. The views from the top are amazing. 2. The General Archive of the Indies. This archive is a repository of extremely valuable archival documents illustrating the history of the Spanish Empire in the Americas and the Philippines. The building itself is an unusually serene and Italianate example of Spanish Renaissance architecture. 3. The Alcázar. The Alcázar is a royal palace facing the cathedral. It is the oldest royal palace still in use in Europe. Every inch of the palace is covered in intricate details. The mix of architectural styles is fabulous and the gardens are stunning. 4. Plaza de España. The Plaza de España in Maria Luisa Park has some incredible buildings, a giant fountain, and a little moat surrounding it. It's one of the most stunning spots in Sevilla. The Plaza de España has styled displays for each region of space, showing scenes from each region. They're really detailed and amazing to look at. 5. The Torre del Oro. The Torre del Oro was built by the Almohad dynasty as a watchtower and defensive barrier on the river. A chain was strung through the water from the base of the tower to prevent boats from traveling into the river port. 6. The Maria Luisa Park is a monumental public park that stretches along the Guadalquivir River. It is Seville's main green area. 8. The Real Maestranza. This is a typical example of Spanish bullring. It has an enormous capacity, holding up to 13,000 spectators. Once inside, it is really impressive. 7. The Metropole Parasol in Incarnation Square. It is the world's largest wooden structure, a monumental umbrella-like building designed by a German architect. It was finished in 2011. This modern architectural structure houses the central market and an underground archaeological complex. The terrace roof is a good city viewpoint. 9. See a flamenco dance in a restaurant. The western district of Triana has plenty of restaurants and bars where you can drink, eat, and watch flamenco. Equally, you can find a lot of bars like that in the Barrio Santa Cruz district. 10. Finally, don't forget to go for some tapas. There are over 4 amazing tapas bars in the city. You must try it once at least. Thank you, bye bye.